your gateway to professional tufting. In this course you will experience step by step how KRAMIS produces a rug from the beginning to the end. In total, the course consists of 10 lessons that cover all the steps of a professional hand-tufted rug. In the course, we make a specific rug that covers the most important working steps. The videos have only a few cuts during the process. In addition, text inserts are shown from time to time, but they are not of high importance, so you can watch very closely and learn from us without having to understand English. We call it the international language of tufting. You will see various working steps that we invented ourselves and kept secret for 40 years. Now it's time to share our valuable know-how with you. You can either learn from the beginning or improve your current skill level massively. In the end, you'll get a certificate as a professional tufter. This will be a sign that you have completed the course of KRAMIS and you know all working steps of the professional rug making process. This course is the perfect sequel after you read the ebook, Materials and Tools for Tufting. I hope you enjoy learning our craft. Let's make rugs, not war. With the purchase of this course you have exclusive access to the members area where you can watch all videos within the website. 60-day money-back guarantee.